Let's manage and access the status of your due and paid payments from the Payments tab. To access it, go to the side menu and click on the Payment tab. Click on the Make Payment tab. First, select the invoice number against which you want to register a received payment. Fill up other important details like who made the payment, the nature of the payment, and the bank account in which you have received it. Existing payment shows if there's any amount received against the respective invoice. Now choose if there is any TDS applicable to the payment. Select through which mode of transaction you have received the payment.
Fill up the transaction number,
and at last, click on the Save button and boom, your payment is saved. Once done, you can check the receipt received against the payment. You can also go to View Invoice and check the status of your payment. You will find your payment marked in green. Or go to Payment History to check your payment's status. So now you know how to use your Payment tab. Hope you find this helpful